One. Welcome back to Listen and Learn English Easy. I'm your host, Sarah. Today, I'm going to teach you something you'll use every single day. How to talk about yourself in English with confidence. Whether you're meeting new friends, starting a new job, traveling abroad, or introducing yourself in class, these phrases are absolutely essential. In this episode, you'll learn simple patterns for talking about your name, where you're from, your age, family, job, hobbies, personality, and daily routines. These are real, natural expressions that native speakers use all the time. So grab your headphones, listen carefully, and repeat after me. That's how you make English part of you. Let's start with the very first thing people ask, your name. Section 1. Your name. Your name is the key to every conversation. Here are the two most common and useful patterns. Pattern 1. My name is Sarah. Pattern 2. I'm Sarah. Both are correct. Both sound natural. Try saying them. My name is Sarah. I'm Sarah. Now, many people have a longer official name and a shorter everyday name. Here's a super useful phrase. My full name is blank, but people call me blank. For example, my full name is Sarah Elizabeth Johnson, but people call me Sarah. Or, my full name is Michael, but people call me Mike. This phrase is perfect for nicknames. Try these examples. My name is Alexander, but people call me Alex. My name is Catherine, but people call me Kate. My name is Robert, but people call me Rob or Bobby. Cultural tip. In English-speaking countries, people often use short, friendly names very quickly. If someone shortens your name after meeting you once, don't worry, it's not rude. It's usually a sign of friendliness. You can choose how formal or casual you want to be. My name is Sarah sounds more formal. I'm Sarah sounds warmer and more friendly. After your name, the next most common question is, where are you from? The basic pattern is simple. I'm from plus country. I'm from the United States. I'm from Spain. I'm from Japan. I'm from Brazil. Want to make your answer stronger? Add your city too. I'm from city. It's in country. I'm from Cairo. It's in Egypt. I'm from Tokyo. It's in Japan. I'm from Rio de Janeiro. It's in Brazil. I'm from Nairobi. It's in Kenya. This helps people understand better, especially if your city isn't famous. Another great pattern for a more interesting story. I was born in blank, but I live in blank now. I was born in Spain, but I live in Mexico now. I was born in a small town, but I live in a big city today. I was born in London, and I still live in London today. Cultural tip. English speakers love connecting through places. If you say, I'm from Italy, someone might reply, oh, I love Italian food, or I visited Rome last year. They use places to find connections and keep the conversation going. So don't be surprised. It's friendly. Section 2. Where you're from. After your name, the next most common question is, where are you from? The basic pattern is simple. I'm from plus country. I'm from the United States. I'm from Spain. I'm from Japan. I'm from Brazil. Want to make your answer stronger? Add your city too. I'm from city. It's in country. I'm from Cairo. It's in Egypt. I'm from Tokyo. It's in Japan. I'm from Rio de Janeiro. It's in Brazil. I'm from Nairobi. It's in Kenya. This helps people understand better, especially if your city isn't famous. Another great pattern for a more interesting story, I was born in blank, but I live in blank now. I was born in Spain, but I live in Mexico now. I was born in a small town, but I live in a big city today. I was born in London, and I still live in London today. Cultural tip. English speakers love connecting through places. If you say, I'm from Italy, someone might reply, oh, I love Italian food, or I visited Rome last year. They use places to find connections and keep the conversation going. So don't be surprised, it's friendly. Section 3. Your age. Next, let's talk about age. The question is, how old are you? The simple answer? I'm plus number plus years old. I'm 25 years old. I'm 30 years old. Or just say, I'm plus number. I'm 25. I'm 30. In casual conversations, native speakers almost always drop years old. They just say the number. Don't want to be exact? Use this soft, natural phrase. I'm in my plus 20s/30s/40s/ etc. I'm in my 20s. Could be 21 to 29. I'm in my 30s. Could be 31 to 39. I'm in my 40s. Could be 41 to 49. Want to be a bit more specific? Try, I'm in my early 30s. 31, 32, 33. I'm in my late 40s. 47, 48, 49. I'm almost 30, maybe 29. I just turned 18. Recently became 18. Cultural tip. In many English-speaking countries, adults don't usually ask each other's age right away. It can feel a bit personal. But with children and teenagers, it's very common. A child will happily say, I'm 7, or I'm 10. With adults, wait until they share it themselves. Section 4. Family. Family always comes up in small talk. Here are the most common questions and natural answers. Question. Do you have brothers or sisters? Or, do you have siblings? Siblings means brothers and sisters together. Simple answers. Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have 2 sisters. No, I don't have any brothers or sisters. No, I don't have any siblings. Add detail with older or younger. I have an older sister. I have a younger brother. I have 2 younger sisters. I have 1 older brother. If you have no siblings, there's a special phrase. I'm an only child. Question. How many brothers and sisters do you have? Answer. Mix them naturally. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. I have 3 sisters. Question. Are you the oldest, middle, or youngest child? Answers. I'm the oldest child. I'm the middle child. I'm the youngest. Question. Do you live with your family? Answers. Yes, I live with my parents. I live with my wife and children. No, I live alone. No, I live with friends. I live on my own. Means alone, independent. Section 5. Work and study. One of the first questions in any conversation is, what do you do? Important. This means, what is your job, or what do you study? Not, what are you doing right now? Many learners make this mistake. If you have a job, use I'm a plus job. I'm a teacher. I'm an engineer. I'm a nurse. I'm a doctor. Add one small detail to make it personal. I'm a teacher. I work in a secondary school. I'm a doctor. I work in a hospital. I'm a driver. I drive a taxi. I'm a cook. I work in an Italian restaurant. Between jobs, say politely, I'm looking for a job right now. I'm between jobs. Or, I'm a homemaker, / I stay at home with my children. If you're a student, say, I'm a student. I study plus subject. I'm a student. I study English. I study engineering. Add your school. I study at Oxford University. I study at the local high school. If someone asks, what are you studying? Answer, I'm studying biology. I'm studying history. Finished studying? Say, I studied English at university. I studied law. Doing both? Combine them. I study business and I also work in a shop. I'm a student, but I have a part-time job in a cafe. Common questions about work and study. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Where do you work? I work in a school. Do you like your job? Yes, I do. Or, it's okay, but sometimes it's difficult. Are you a student? Yes, I study economics. Where do you study? I study at Beijing University. Section 6. Personality. Describing your personality makes conversations warmer and helps people understand you better. The good news? Simple words are enough. Use the pattern I'm plus adjective. Positive, friendly words. I'm friendly. Enjoy talking to people. I'm hardworking. Try your best. I'm helpful. Like to help others. I'm kind. Care about others. I'm positive. See the good in situations. I'm open-minded. Like new ideas. Describing energy. I'm active. I'm relaxed. I'm easygoing. Relaxed, not stressed. Other useful words. I'm curious. Like learning new things. I'm quiet. Sometimes. I'm outgoing. Opposite of shy. I'm shy. Nervous with new people. I'm funny. Make people laugh. I'm serious. Take things carefully. Combine two. I'm friendly and patient. Or, I'm shy but curious. How do people ask about personality? Question. What do you like? Warning. This does not mean, what do you like? It means, describe your personality. Answer. I'm friendly and patient. Or, I'm quiet but hardworking. Job interview question. How would you describe yourself? Answer. Give 2 to 3 positive qualities. I'm hardworking, creative, and reliable. Simple questions. Are you shy? Yes, I'm a bit shy. Or, no, I'm quite outgoing. Are you outgoing? Yes, I love meeting people. Section 7. Daily routine and hobbies. Let's add 2 more important topics, your daily life and what you love to do. Daily routine. Use these patterns. I usually plus verb plus at plus time. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I usually have breakfast at 8. I usually start work at 9. I plus verb plus every day. I go to work every day. I study English every day. Hobbies. Use these patterns. I like plus verb in. I like reading. I like playing football. I like cooking. I love plus verb in. I love traveling. I love listening to music. I'm interested in plus noun verb in. I'm interested in photography. I'm interested in learning languages. In my free time, I plus verb. In my free time, I watch movies. In my free time, I go hiking. Amazing work today. We've covered everything you need for a complete self-introduction in English. Your name. My name is Sarah, or I'm Sarah. Where you're from. I'm from Tokyo, Japan. Your age. I'm in my 20s, or I'm 25. Your family. I have one older brother, or I'm an only child. Your job or studies. I'm a teacher, or I study medicine. Your personality. I'm friendly and hardworking. Your daily life and hobbies. I like reading, and I usually wake up at 7. Your challenge this week. Write a short introduction about yourself using 3 to 4 sentences from today's lesson. Practice saying it out loud, in the mirror, with a friend, or record yourself on your phone. If you found this episode helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Listen and Learn English Easy. New lessons every week for beginners who want to speak natural English. I'm Sarah. Thanks for learning with me today. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.